Greetings to everybody. I am S. Bhaskar, a teacher, a trainer and an academic system builder. With more than 2.5 decades of teaching experience and more than 2 decades of training experience and with a wide exposure on working on academic systems and building academic systems, I am very happy to talk on outcome-based education in this video, which will help the people to implement outcome-based education in their respective field and organizations. I am very happy to present this video which covers curriculum design based on program educational objectives, program outcomes and program specific outcomes. In general, we should know what is a curriculum. Curriculum simply means the list of courses that are going to be offered in each and every semester of a program. We can take an example of BE Mechanical Engineering as a program, undergraduate engineering program, where 8 semesters are there, and if we are able to prepare in the first semester, these are the courses which are going to be offered, both theory and practical courses put together, lab courses put together, first semester. The list of courses to be offered in the second semester, etc. till the 8th semester. If we are able to prepare a list, then that becomes the curriculum for that BE Mechanical Engineering program. But it is not simply preparing a list. There are certain things which are supposed to be kept in mind while preparing a curriculum. The first thing is the curriculum should be based on the program educational objective, and it should cater to attaining the program outcome and program specific outcomes. And the second thing is, in any country there will be certain agencies or bodies or government agencies which will tell this should be the curriculum structure. That simply means that they will tell this amount of these kind of courses should be present, then another category of courses will be there, and this percentage of courses should be present and offered in the 8 semesters. Like this, something will be given. In India, University Grants Commission tells this should be the curriculum structure and this should be the composition of the various courses, that is the percentage of courses which is to be offered in the 8 semesters for an undergraduate engineering program. Now let us look at little bit in detail what UGC in India tells when we are supposed to prepare the curriculum for an undergraduate engineering program. UGC has divided the courses to be offered in 7 categories. Generally in 7 categories, beyond this also there might be 1 or 2. But I will deal with the regular 7 categories which has been stated. For each category, UGC has told this should be the minimum range of credits and this should be the maximum range of credits, both in percentage and in credits it has been given. The first category of courses is called as Humanities and Social Science courses. What is being covered in this Humanities and Social Science courses? It covers courses like English, foreign language, employability skills, engineering ethics, and so on. The second category of courses which has been specified by UGC is basic sciences. And basic sciences includes mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and so on. The third category of courses is engineering sciences. And in engineering sciences, it says it covers materials, workshops, drawings, basics of electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer engineering, instrumentation and so on. The fourth category of courses is professional core. Now when we say core, we are talking about an undergraduate graduate engineering program, and in our example it is a BE mechanical engineering program. So the core specialization is mechanical engineering. Professional core means courses which are related to mechanical engineering. That also has been specified by UGC that this should be the minimum and this should be the maximum number of credits, or this should be the minimum or maximum percentage of courses which are supposed to be offered. This is what it tells. The fifth category of courses is professional electives, and this also is related to specialization. Here the specialization in our example is BE mechanical engineering. So in mechanical engineering, what are the electives which are supposed to be offered? And we talk about electives, then we have to actually refer back to the program educational objectives. We will come back to that. Then open electives. What are open electives? For a BE mechanical engineering course program, a student who is undergoing a BE mechanical engineering program, an open elective means that particular student has to take up courses which are being offered in other programs. That is, he can take up a program, take up a course which is being offered in computer science program, or a biotechnology program, or a mechatronics program, something which is not there in their curriculum, but which is there in the curriculum of some other program, and if it is offered as an open elective for mechanical engineering, it can be taken. That is, open elective means courses from other programs. So it has UGC has stated this should be the minimum and maximum credits a student is supposed to earn by taking up these open electives. And the last one is employability enhancement courses. This is these are the projects which are they are supposed to do, summer and internship that they are supposed to undertake during summer and winter, and industry related courses. All these things, 1 credit courses offered by industry, all these things will enhance the employability skills of the graduate. Therefore, for this also a certain percentage has been given. Now, we have to look at offering courses under all these categories. First one. Second one, it should not be below or it should not be above the percentage which has been specified by UGC. All these things are to be offered, and it should be offered from the first semester till the 8th semester. Only 8 semesters are available, and at appropriate points of time it has to be offered in a proper sequence. Before studying something, we have to study something else. So what is offered in the first semester should be helping someone to take up a higher level program or higher level course in the second semester. Like that it goes. A proper sequencing also has to be done. That is why 8 semesters has been given, and a curriculum has to be developed keeping in mind all these guidelines. And when the curriculum is being developed, the first thing we are supposed to notice, the entire curriculum is being developed to attain the program educational objectives. And I am only taking one example. If the program educational objective of BE mechanical engineering program is to prepare the graduates to take up a career in design, then you just think and see all these courses as far as possible, mainly the professional core courses, everything should be related to design as far as possible. There are certain things which we cannot avoid, we have to offer, but maximum it should be related to design. Second, when we come to professional electives, everything should be related to design. Then when it comes to employability enhancement courses, a student should be encouraged and we should see that they do a project in design. If the many projects are being asked to be done, everything should be with respect to design. If we are going to do anything, if they are going to do it only with respect to design, then from first semester till 8th semester, a lot of design exposure will be given. Automatically, they will be prepared to take up a career in design. Now, let us say we cannot cannot have only one stream. We can say that we'll have a stream related to design. It simply means that our program education objective might be like this: prepare our graduates to take up a career in design or manufacture or industrial engineering. In this particular case, what happens? We have three streams of students. The first stream in design, second stream in manufacturing, the third stream in industrial engineering. Therefore, we should have very specifically mainly electives related to design, electives related to manufacturing, electives related to industrial engineering. Once a student takes up design, then from the first semester till the 8th semester, it is better that we motivate them and we create rules which says that they will take up only design till the end, design, and design. They will go and fit into a design career. Someone takes up a manufacturing stream, everything will be related to manufacturing, and automatically they will go into the manufacturing career. Similarly, it happens for industrial engineering. This is how the curriculum has to be developed. I won't say that you should stick on to only one career path. Specify 2 or 3, not too many, 2 or 3 career paths. Then prepare your curriculum in accordance with that. Guide the students to decide which career path they want to take. It also depends upon their passion, it also depends upon the openings which are available, but let them not change streams in between so that they go out as specialists when they go into the external world, and it will be in line with the program educational objectives which has been specified. Now, when we take program outcomes for a design student, all the program outcomes will be with respect to design. For our manufacturing students, all the 12 program outcomes at least which has been specified by accreditation agencies has to be looked upon in the viewpoint of manufacturing. Like that, if it is being done, curriculum design will be superb, and the chances of a program evolving as a center of excellence program, that is, we are all talking about evolving center of excellences in institutions. It will be, the program itself will become a program of excellence in design, a program of excellence in manufacturing. Someone who wants to recruit a design engineer will come to this particular institution because they very well know that they have one stream and the approach itself is design oriented approach. That is how we are supposed to create programs of excellence in certain streams. That is the purpose of program educational objective, and that is how we are supposed to link it with curriculum design. An important thing which has been mentioned in the accreditation documents, which is called as Program Specific Criteria, PSC. It has been mentioned that any program should identify preferably an American professional society, and that American professional society would have given certain things to be made mandatorily available to call a program as a program at the international level. It is just like this. In mechanical engineering program, undergraduate mechanical engineering program, what are the key things that are to be covered? That has been specified by a professional society. And accreditation documents, as I said, has very clearly told that you give preference for selecting an American professional society. That is what it means. Now, what are the two things which has been specified by these societies? They have specified two things. They have said what kind of curriculum should be present and what kind of faculty should handle that particular curriculum. Only two things has been specified. And now let us go online and see where this information is available. I will show this online. Now when we Google Program Specific Criteria, PSC by ABET, American Board for Engineering and Technology, we will get something like this. So according to today's date, maybe the latest criteria for accreditation engineering programs which is available is 2016-17, or outcomes, you select the latest. For example, I will select this one, and when we go inside, you will get the criteria for accrediting engineering programs In this, if you go, you will have so many sections. We have to select the section for which, you see, program criteria has been given. We are looking for program specific criteria for aerospace, agriculture and related things and things like that. It will be given. I will select for, let us say, a mechanical engineering program. Here, mechanical and similarly named engineering programs. If I am going to click here, two things have been given. The lead society, American Society of Mechanical Engineering. I can take that as the professional society which I am going to refer for a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. These program criteria will apply to all engineering programs that include mechanical or similar modifiers in their titles. It has given what kind of curriculum, what are the basic things a mechanical engineering curriculum should consist of, and what kind of faculty should handle that particular curriculum. That is what has been given. With this, what are we going to do? Whatever curriculum we are having and whatever faculty we are having, we have to map it with this one. So, we have to put curriculum proposed, that has been proposed by American Society of Mechanical Engineering. You create a table and you put the curriculum components there. The curriculum components will tell the curriculum must require students to apply principles of engineering. You have to put principles of engineering, then basic science, then mathematics and things like that. Row wise you put, and on the right side you can put our curriculum for mechanical engineering, BE mechanical engineering, where these things which has been specified by the American Society for Mechanical Engineers, where these things have been dealt in our curriculum. We have to prove. We should not leave out anything here if our program has to be considered as a program which will be accepted throughout the world. That is what it means. And who handles the program? That also has been given here. The program must be demonstrated. The program must demonstrate that faculty members responsible for the upper level professional program are maintaining currency of their specific area. You see, they have maintained currency means it is not money. It simply means that they should have specialty degrees. That is, they should have specialized in that particular area. Someone who is going to handle, for example, a design course should have a master's degree in design, and preferably they should have done a doctorate in design. Someone who is going to handle mathematics, let us say, or basic science or mathematics, should have specialization in mathematics. It is not someone having some kind of a specialization simply handling some kind of a course. That is what this particular thing means. So all this should be available, all of this should be available in the BE Mechanical Engineering curriculum, and for that specific faculty with that kind of a specialization also should be available. This is the meaning of program specific criteria. If we refer back to the ABECT, and if we are not able to find the program specific criteria in ABECT, then we have the freedom to find a suitable professional society and find out what they specify, and we can map what they specify with what we offer and close the matter. This is how it has to be done. Now, till now we talked about what can be done and incorporated in the curriculum. But there are many things which are happening beyond the curriculum in the name of curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular activities inside any campus. How to actually orient all these things in tune with the program educational objectives which has been specified. See, the final objective is whatever we do, it should be focused, and we should see that the student is being prepared and is being sent out as a specialist. Now, if the program educational objective is prepare our students for design career, or manufacturing career, or industrial engineering career, I will strongly suggest that you should have a group of students who have taken those particular streams. You want to conduct a workshop, and if the workshop has to be offered for design stream of students, from first semester till the 8th semester, offer only design related workshops, design related seminars. Let them do projects only related to design. want to go for an internship, let them go only for design related internships. Automatically the curriculum structure and parallelly the co-curricular and extracurricular activities, all these things will support each other and send them out as specialized design experts with a BE mechanical engineering degree. Now, if a person has selected a manufacturing stream, offer them workshops, seminars, projects, minor projects, paper presentation, water design competitions. Everywhere they are going to go, it will be related only to manufacturing. That is how we are supposed to orient them. And automatically they will go out as manufacturing specialists and fit into the manufacturing career. This is what is focused approach. Otherwise, in general, what happens is everyone is offering a BE mechanical engineering program, and for what they are being prepared for as general engineers. The world requires specialists, and the institution will be looked upon by the world, if not immediately, in the long run, if efforts are being put, we will become specialists in developing certain kind of graduates in certain fields. Just to think, we have National Institute of Design. If you go there, you will only get a design personality, you won't get anyone else. Similarly, each and every institution has to tell, this is what we are preparing our graduates for. Let us not prepare our graduates, calling them as they are engineers, and if you ask them what they are specialized in, just stating that I have studied 2 or 3 electives in certain areas will not help in any manner. We have to give them orientation, the curriculum, everything should be prepared in such a manner that from the beginning till the end, if someone says that I have entered design field day in, day out, semester in, semester out, everything related to design, they will go out as design professionals. This should be the approach in curriculum design and offering the curriculum in such kind of focus.